Welcome back to Epic Libations, everybody. Today, another classic cocktails, over 100 years old, legendary, another one of my favorites. I know I say that a lot. But first, I need you all to help me out in the comments here. I've seen in a couple movies, recent movies lately, these people ordering a drink at the bar, like a vodka and Red Bull. Please tell me that that's only in the movies. No one actually is ordering such a lame drink. It's not even a cocktail, it's just a drink. I don't care how much you love Red Bull. After you've had this, you ain't gonna be ordering no vodka and anything to do with Red Bull. Let's get to it. It's gonna be equal parts of gin, maraschino or maraschino liqueur, green chartreuse, and lime juice. As always, no matter what, fresh limes, mandatory. And since it's equal parts, you could do half an ounce of everything, 3/4 ounce, or what I like to do, 1.5 ounce. We'll start with the gin. 1.5 ounce into the shaker. Maraschino. Into the shaker. And the legendary green chartreuse. So good. All right, now our limes. I knew it would take more than one. These limes are kind of small. Just a little bit more. And we've got it smells so good. If you haven't done the test of store-bought lime juice and fresh squeezed in any cocktail ever, you'll know right away, never again. All right, give that a quick shake, 10, 12 seconds. Done. Favorite glass. And strain. The last word. Oh, smells so good. Oh, I'm telling you, this is legendary for a reason. It's so simple to remember, but you can always go to epiclibations.com where I have all my epic recipes and links to everything you're gonna need for your home bar. Until next time, please drink real cocktails.